We all have our phases when we feel low or we feel that nothing is going right for us. Most people at that time actually resort to, say, binge eating or retail therapy to lift their spirits. So, I will share with you one incident about how I actually got over that phase. So, there was a time some days back wherein I was actually feeling quite low and depressed, if I could say, because everything seemed to be going wrong for me. And in fact, one of the days I was actually frozen the entire day. I wasn't able to move from morning to evening. I was just like, stuck at one place. And to be honest, even I had opened Amazon and I was like looking for something, anything that I should buy. I was like, maybe there's something I'll buy and I'll feel good about myself. And to be honest with you, I knew my reasons. I knew why I'm feeling like this. It wasn't something which I didn't know. But unfortunately, those things were not in my hands. There were a couple of small little things which had accumulated and they were not in my control. So yeah, so like I said, I had opened Amazon and I was like, I must buy something. And evening came and I didn't end up buying anything because better sense prevailed that I was like, none of these things could actually solve my issue. So I didn't end up buying anything. But then I was like, what do I do? I'm feeling so miserable. So then I thought maybe I should order dinner and I'll feel good. I'll have something good. And since it's COVID time, so we can't even actually immediately make plans with our friends and step out of home, right? So that's what you can actually do. Two options are there: either shop or eat. So I was like, okay, let me order dinner. But because of my health issues at this time, I'm not allowed a lot of food, and I have like a lot of food restrictions actually. So which is why I was just like thinking, should I not? And again, better sense prevailed and I was like, no, I will eat food at home and maybe I'll get something nice prepared at home instead of ordering. And what I'm trying to tell here is that at that time when I was feeling extremely down and quite irrational, if I could say so, I decided that this will be a better option for me, eating home food, because A, I'm not an emotional eater and I don't want to fall in that category wherein the solution to all my problems lies in unhealthy eating. I don't want to do that. And B, I knew that 5 minutes of momentary pleasure will actually give me hours of discomfort and pain. Then what is the point? And trust me when I tell you this, my 8-year-old son also told me the same line. He said, Mama, 5 minutes of pleasure actually can give us lifelong diseases. Then why go ahead and do something like that? And I realized that I'm feeling so miserable right now. Eating outside food may actually make me feel extremely more miserable. So then why do something like that? And then we had proper nice food at home and it was fine. I mean, my health was okay. And after that, I was like, okay, now I've eaten. Now what do I do? Because I was still frozen at that place. And then, since dancing is my favorite thing to do, I was like, I will get up from my seat and I will put on music and do a dance. Because the thing is that I was like, if I don't move, I don't move. But I have to move. I have to make myself move and do something to feel better. And I made one of my dance videos and posted on Instagram, in fact. And I realized how much better I was feeling after doing that. I mean, I didn't post on Instagram at that time, but I recorded my video. So, what I'm trying to tell here is that even when we are feeling extremely irrational, being rational is the only solution. You know, even at that time, if we could think rationally and do something which is not going to harm us in any way, that's the best way to deal with the situation. Like at that time, I could have done something which could be even more harmful to me or very unnecessary, but here I did something which I quite like. So similar suggestion that I'll give to you all, that if you are feeling down and low and miserable, do something that you really enjoy doing and you really like, and which could actually lift your spirits without any side effects. So that would be something worth doing. So let me know if that works for you and share similar experiences if any.